Bitcoin for beginners, the digital gold revolution explained. Ever wondered why everyone's talking about Bitcoin? Is it just hype or the future of money? Well, stick around because in this video, we're breaking down Bitcoin, its history, purpose, and why it's often called digital gold. Let's dive in. The history of Bitcoin. It all started in 2008 during a global financial crisis. A mysterious figure, or group, called Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a white paper laying out the blueprint for Bitcoin. The goal? To create a decentralized currency that wasn't controlled by banks or governments. Think about it. Back then, trust in traditional financial institutions was crumbling. Bitcoin was created as a solution to give power back to the people. Imagine if your bank suddenly froze your account and there's nothing you could do about it. With Bitcoin, that's nearly impossible because no single authority controls it. What is Bitcoin's purpose? At its core, Bitcoin is digital money. But what makes it unique is its decentralized nature, meaning no central bank or government is pulling the strings. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain, like a digital ledger spread across thousands of computers. Each time you make a transaction, it's verified by this decentralized network, making it transparent and nearly impossible to tamper with. Think of it like sharing a Google Doc that anyone can view and verify, but no one can secretly edit. That's what makes Bitcoin so secure and revolutionary. Why is Bitcoin called digital gold? Show gold bars transitioning into Bitcoin coins. Now, why is Bitcoin called digital gold? Just like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity is what makes it valuable. Gold has been a store of value for centuries. People trust it because it's rare and durable. Similarly, Bitcoin's limited supply and decentralized structure make it a safe haven in uncertain times, much like gold. Example: when the stock market crashes or inflation rises, people turn to assets like gold, and now Bitcoin, as a hedge. It's like a digital version of a gold vault in your pocket. How to stay safe while investing in Bitcoin. Before you jump into the world of Bitcoin, here are some safety tips. First, always use reputable exchanges for buying and selling. Second, consider using a hardware wallet to store your Bitcoin securely. Think of a hardware wallet as your personal safe. Only you have the key to access your funds. Example: imagine you're storing gold bars at home. You wouldn't leave them lying around, right? The same goes for Bitcoin. Keep it secure and avoid leaving it on exchanges. Now that you have a better understanding of Bitcoin, its history, and why it's called digital gold, are you ready to take your first steps into the world of crypto? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated with more easy-to-understand crypto content. And don't forget to drop a comment below. What do you think about Bitcoin? Is it the future of money or just a trend? Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart, stay safe, and stay curious. See you in the next video.